Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Sunburn Skin in Heartopia. So I finally reached day 6 of the sand bath. So make sure the weather is scorching heat and you're going to go to this area and you're just going to take a sand bath here for 1 minute. And you will need to do this you will need to do this 6 times in a span of 6 days that the weather is here. If you just do it on like a random day, obviously you're not gonna do it. The weather needs to be scorching heat, okay, you guys? And basically just stay here for 1 minute. It is near the whale fall portal. And make sure you've done this 6 times for the Sunburn Skin and 3 times for the Sunburn Blush. Once the time is over, you will immediately be notified that you have received the Sunburn Skin. And I just went back home to equip it, and oh my gosh guys, I didn't expect it to be this red. I thought it was gonna be like a tannish, well, it is called the Sunburn Skin, not the tanned skin, so I don't know. But anyways, it's super red, and yeah, this is what it looks like. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!